Hi, welcome to another render demo how to draw video tutorial. Today I'll be taking you through how to draw a spider. And in this one here, we're going to do a black widow spider. All right, let's get started. So the first step, we're going to draw the main body in the center of the page. So it's going to kind of look like the beginnings of a snowman. So we're going to draw, don't forget there's going to be like the legs that come out on both sides, okay? So we're going to draw a round circular shape like this down there, and then we'll do a second one, but instead of this being very round, we're going to have it being a little bit narrower and longer. So if you draw kind of like a center line, you know, up like that, we're going to start on the one side and we'll draw somewhere about here, and we'll draw a shape that kind of comes and bulges out a little bit and then comes back like that. And then we'll draw two smaller shapes, one on either side of the center. So that's pointing to the left, and this one is pointing to the right. Okay, now, next, let's start drawing the leg portions, and we'll do them in sections. So we're going to have 4 coming out this way, not including the 2 eyeballs here. So we're going to draw, so the eyeballs, this shape here, we're going to draw the legs longer than these shapes here. Okay, so this one's going to point up in that direction. We're going to have one in this direction, another one here, and another one pointing down. So let's get started. So I'll start with the lower one here. We'll come about here, and we'll come up and over, and we'll do another one like this. It's our second one. Let's do this one here, so then we can figure out and space this last one in the middle. So we'll come up and over like that, and then the last one will be up and over like that. Okay, now we'll just do the same on this side. So we'll come down and to the right. We'll do one like this. We'll do this one up here. And then we'll do this one right there. Okay, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. So the next step, we'll draw the eyes. So we can draw a little bit longer and wider for the eye shapes. So there's going to be one there and one there. And then we'll do extensions off of these legs. So this one's going to be going in this direction. We'll be going up kind of in that direction for the top 2. And then the lower ones will be coming in a downward angle. So for the first 2 top ones, these will be longer than this shape here. So if you have this shape here, we're going to be about 2 times longer. So we'll be right about here for these 2 legs, okay? So we'll come like this, and we'll come into there like that. So we'll come one here like this, and then this one here will kind of come up and down like that. So let's just do the same on this side. So we'll come up over here like this. So we'll come up like that. And this one here will come up like that. And then for the 2 lower legs, we'll have those kind of tucking downward a little bit. So we'll come over and connect back in, and then this one here will start coming off of the body and something like that. Okay, so let's try that. We'll come down to the right, so we'll come like this, and this one here will down like that. Excellent. Okay, the next step, we're going to keep going. We're going to keep extending the arms. So these ones up here, we're going to keep these going up in that direction. Okay, and this one can start coming out this way. So we'll do about the same length as this, perhaps a little bit longer. So if you take that shape, you go up here, this distance, and then maybe just a little bit longer, okay? And this one can be a little bit, you know, it doesn't have to be perfectly straight, right? We can have a little bit of bend to it. It doesn't have to be like a perfect rectangle shape, okay? So don't worry about your line if it's a little bit bent. This one here, we can maybe have this one a little sharper, like that. And this one's about the same length. And then down here as we go, we'll come out a little bit more sideways with this one. And this almost looks like these little like knife blades. And then over here, this one will come down. This is going to be longer. So this shape here, we're going to be about almost like 2 times longer for this back leg. So it's just a lot longer. So we're going to come down and around it, and then we'll come back up like that. Okay, so let's just do the same on the other side. So we'll come up this way. So this is about, you know, this length here plus a little bit, somewhere about there. So we'll kind of come up like that, and then we'll come somewhere about here, just like so. And we'll do another one right about here. And the last one, remember this one's a little bit longer, somewhere about there. Just like that. Cool, there we go. It's starting to look like a spider. So next, at the end of these, we're going to have little sharp pointy shapes. So we can hook these. These will go hook over to the left. So we'll draw these kind of like these pointy, spiky shapes. So we're just going to point these all to the left. And this one will come like that. And this one here will point down like that. These ones will come over like that, just like that. Cool. Now we'll add some details. So in the main body, we're gonna start, you know, so if we draw a line, a really faint line to kind of split the spider in half from left to right. On the one side, kind of halfway, you know, if this is halfway, you're going to start just above the halfway point, and we'll draw these 2 kind of curves like this. And then what we'll do is we'll have these come like this, and they'll point together, okay? It's almost like these triangles, but they're like curved and bent triangles. So we'll do the same. We'll mirror this on this side. So 1, 2, and then we'll draw kind of like a line to kind of show where that's going to be, and then we just point that there, and then this one here. Cool. And then we'll add a couple round shapes just above those triangles on both sides. So one's bigger than the other. Then we can draw a couple smaller ones over here, like that. And then on the back over here, we'll draw a line that kind of comes down and points towards the center. And up here, it's going to be wider. It's going to come down and then kind of point. And then we just do the same on the right side. We'll have that come over to the right and then hook back to the left, and it'll point just like that. And then the last detail, we'll add some ribs to these pieces of the legs that kind of extend off of the main body. So just on these ones, we'll put some lines, some detail lines over here, there you go. There's how to draw a spider in a few simple steps. All right, next thing is I'm going to grab a marker, and because this spider is mostly black, we're going to have a little bit of orange, this orangey color in the legs, and then these sections here will be red, but you know, so the majority of this is going to be black, but I'm still going to go ahead and just outline this so I have my shapes nicely outlined. So I'm going to speed up and we'll come right back in a second. Okay, now that we outlined our spider, I'm going to go ahead and add some color. So what I'm going to do is the body's going to be black, but kind of right around here, these legs are going to have like a little bit of a orange color kind of going through them. So I'm just going to try to stay inside of my lines, but just kind of go a little quick strokes like that. And try to stay inside. Okay, I'm going to have these shapes over here will be in red. Don't worry about going outside of the lines because we will use black to color those in. All right, there you go. There's how to draw a spider in a few simple steps. And we went ahead and did use some orangey yellow marker along with some red on the back part, and then used black Sharpie to kind of color it all in at the end. So hopefully you like this video. Check out our other videos on our channel, and don't forget, subscribe to our channel so you can kind of see new stuff that comes out each week. All right. Thanks a lot, and see you guys next time. Bye.